Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect and lock folders. It's very easy, but you need Windows 11 Pro. If you're not sure you have it or not, I will explain it how to check it. So it's very easy. You can just go to your folders and right click, and then you can go to properties. After that, make sure you in general here, and you can go to advanced here. And then as you can see, there is encrypt data. See, that's mean I don't have Windows 11 Pro. If you have it, you can just check it. That's it. Thank you.